The results from our programs with PV have been outstanding. Our first content syndication campaign was a webinar that garnered 503 contacts, 334 accounts, 81 new logos, and 456 million in pipe. Now I need to replicate these types of results for the rest of the year, but I guess that's a good problem to have. Hi, I'm Lisa Harding, Partner Marketing Manager at ServiceNow. I lead marketing strategy and execution for our Google Cloud partnership. Our team all up is responsible for global partner marketing efforts across hyperscalers and resellers. The challenge we're always trying to solve is how do we scale our marketing programs? Our goal is to create an always-on motion with the ability to pivot when necessary based on region or vertical focus, or anything for that matter. Ultimately, we want to scale our programs across the board. So we want to create once, refine, and then be able to repeat our program. We chose PartnerVista because of Rick's background and experience in the industry, honestly, and his willingness to build programs that fit our needs and deliver results. They tout themselves as a partner engine, and I believe that is a very true description. They truly understand the partner landscape and come to the table with programs tailored to partners. Hence their name, PartnerVista. The program we have currently in motion with PV is a content syndication campaign. PV uses a very unique nurture strategy, relying heavily on AI to truly customize and tailor content right down to the user level. Every single metric from this campaign moved in the right direction. We received more leads, more accounts, a lower cost, higher engagement, depth, and richer intelligence. Now I need to replicate that across the entire year. When I saw the results, I honestly thought the dashboard must not be working, but it was. And additionally, the results I received in terms of account intelligence after the event was phenomenal. I haven't really seen such a level of detail, in a while. And this helps us build the next campaign to be even better and stronger. What's really different about PartnerVista is that they really listen and truly want to build a program that addresses all of our needs and more. They come to the table with ideas and strategies that we haven't even thought of, really pushing the boundaries of what we can do. And they're easy and fun to work with. Rick and I joke all the time about them being the easy button. They don't waste any time, rather cut to the chase and deliver. I would tell my peers, give PartnerVista a try, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. You can start small and build from there. Rick wants to do what's right for you, the client. He's not trying to just sell you a program. He's in it for the long run. And in my opinion, that really shows. Going forward, we're building on the best practices we've realized with PartnerVista and the campaigns that we've done with them. We're looking for new, innovative ways to grow and scale our programs and take them to the next level. I look at PartnerVista as a strategic partner in really making this a reality.